So guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to my kitchen. Guys, today I will be making for you Toto. This is a Jamaican dessert and it's very delicious. So guys, these are my ingredients. So in my bowl I have 3 cups of flour, a cup and a half of sugar, and here I have 3 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, half teaspoon baking soda, and also this is a half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon nutmeg, 2 cups of coconut, and this is 2 cups, a little bit over 2 cups of coconut milk. This is a 1/4 cup of butter, and this is 2 eggs. Guys, the eggs is optional. You can add eggs if you like it light, then you can add eggs, but if you are going for like a stronger texture, then you don't have to add the eggs. So guys, I will be adding all my dry ingredients. So this is my baking powder, baking soda, and cinnamon. This is my nutmeg and salt. So guys, I will combine all these. So guys, I will be combining my dry ingredients. I'll be adding my coconut. I'll be adding my milk. So guys, the milk is the exact amount, so you don't have to wonder if it's gonna be too much. I'll be adding my vanilla. Also, I'll be adding my butter. And guys, this is melted butter. I am going to beat my eggs and add it also. So guys, I'm adding my eggs to this. And guys, remember I said eggs is optional. And guys, I'll be adding some rum to this. This also is optional, guys, you don't have to. And I will combine. So guys, this is a quick and easy dessert. So guys, you want to preheat your oven, and your oven should be at 180 degrees Celsius. And you should grease your baking tray or your baking tin, whatever you want to use. So guys, this is the thickness that I'm going for. So guys, this is ready. As I said, it's quick and easy. So this is ready. So I'll be pouring this in my baking tray. And guys, you can see I have like some lumps. This is like the coconut, the small piece of the coconut. You can always take that out. And guys, if you like raisins, then you could also add raisins to this, but I'm not a raisin person, so I'm not gonna add any in these. So guys, this is the texture that I'm going for. So now I am going to add this to my baking tray. Guys, you can grease and line yours. I consider it a waste of paper to line. As long as it's greased properly, then you don't have to line for me. But by all means, you can line it if you wish. So guys, this is it, and I'm gonna pop this in my oven and allow it to bake for an hour or until you put a toothpick in and the toothpick comes out clean. So guys, stay tuned for that, and we're gonna bake. So guys, here you have it. My Toto is fresh from the oven. It's very hot. I just take it out. I'm just gonna let you see it's ready. There you have it, guys. My toothpick is clean. So guys, I'm gonna allow this to cool down and then we'll cut into this. So guys, here you have it. This is my Toto and it is ready. And guys, you can see all that goodness. There you have it, guys. So guys, if you do enjoy this video, please remember to subscribe to my channel, share, and give me a like if you do like the video. So guys, until the next time, bye bye.